Here, sitting a demonstration for the tragedy taken place in Manipur. We demand N. Biren Singh immediately to resign from his post. He is not perfect, or he is not the right person to rule the government of Manipur. Here we see that the two ladies, but the two girls was not raped by the gang rape, but we demand that N. Biren Singh has been raped to those two girls. So we appeal and we demand him to resign immediately as early as possible for this government, from this government. And we want the BJP government to see the real fact and give justice to the real person who is raped. We want all the people of India to be together and look into the matter as early as possible. We only want justice. We don't want anything else. And we don't want the BJP government to rule again. Because here we see that the slogan of Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao is completely down. Here we can't see anything right for the ladies or for the daughters of the ladies of India. The rape is taken place in India only. The other side or another world, they are not in that case. Why India is in that condition? Why? Why India is in that condition? We want Narendra Modi to reply our answer. Here we, the organization, women organization of Karbi Anglong, we demand you, Narendra Modi, the MP, the Prime Minister of India, to reply our question. Why the BJP government couldn't take the responsibility for the girl child? Why you gave the slogan of Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao? We completely depressed with this slogan.
We are one order of women, sir. We don't want this rape case in all the Karbi Anglong plus or India, because we are same. We are all girls and women. We are not different in Manipur. We are not different in Karbi Anglong. We are not different in all India. So we don't want this rape case anymore. We would like to appeal to the Narendra Modi and Himanta Biswa Sharma and the other country like the UK and France plus the Dubai minister. We would like to appeal you that we want to immediately take the action so that all the women that we are living in this country, we will be safe in one day, because we are not safe now. We are not in we can't move anywhere like this. We cannot move in one place like this because we are not in safe. Ladies are not safe. So we would like to appeal to all the ministers in the other country of this world so that we can finish this rape case in all the countries. We would like peace. All the ladies will need peace. So all the ladies and of the country, we want all the tribes, all the women, we want the justice for all this rape case. We would like Narendra Modi to take immediate action for this. We don't want your BJP in this case. If you do like this, we don't want any more BJP in our country. We don't want any BJP to rule in our Karbi Anglong. We don't want BJP anymore if you do like this in a rape case, because we need the peace to stay in this world. Because we are one, all the ladies, we are one. Why you are doing these actions? You don't have your sisters, you don't have your mother. We are same. Your mothers also is a woman. Your sisters also is a women. Why are you doing all this, people? We don't want. Because those who are doing this rape case, you don't have your mother, you don't have your sisters. Where you have come from this? Why you are doing this? You don't have your sisters, you don't have your mothers. We hate this. वी डोंट वांट। तो हम चाहते हैं कि जो महिला है हम लोग साथ में रहना है, क्योंकि हम लोग का जो अत्याचार किया था हम लोग के ये अच्छा नहीं किया। जो सरकार हम लोग के किया है हम लोग अच्छा नहीं लगता है।